Good day, everyone. This is Rods, your Kawais Peso or Kawais Peso. And for today, as you can see on my screen, I have a Prima Maxi Care na ang daming options. Whereas we have a different categories ha. Ayan. So, as you can see here, may mga comprehensive tayo. Screen, this is specific, moms and babies. So, the first that I will discuss with you is yung 4,999. All right, everyone. So we are here now on what we call the Prima for babies. So meron na tayo before na discuss. If you are new in my page, kindly check this. Ayan yung link sa taas. Yung mga Prima pa po na nauna. All right? If it's not concerning for the babies, you may skip this video. Now, we are discussing now for the tinatawag nating Prima for babies. Ayan siya. That's a 4,999. That's a parang 5,000 na rin, no? So, what focus on this plan? This is your baby's first year in field of your tatawag nating memories or milestones. So, the concern about this one is yung tatawag nating Prima for babies, which is designed for your peace of mind, and it is a tatawag nating bundled for a 1 dose of 6-in-1 vaccine. So this is only consultation na ha. Okay. So this is unlimited consultation for the peace of mind. If the baby have a sudden fever, ayan, you may question the pedia doctors natin in the MaxiCare. It has unlimited pedia consults and access to other look at this specialists. So as long as it is related for the tinatawag nating pedia. So what includes in your package with this 4,999? Then let's proceed. This is a hexavalent combination with a hepatitis B, OPB, DPT, and HIV. And of course, if your family is engaging to a lot of flights, ayan, importante ang baby book, di ba? Correct yan if we are going to other countries. So, exclusive benefit of this one is that you enjoy exclusive preferential rates. Ibig sabihin ng preferential rates, so it may lessen to the actual na walang plan of Prima. So, you may check it to the to the clinics. So, why choose Prima Babies for Maxi Health? First and foremost, it is a budget-friendly care and it has an expert guidance of a regular checkups, lalo na sa mga babies natin. So, tayo talaga, if mga may newborn talaga tayo, nasa running mode talaga as a first-time mom, second, or ilang babies pa nga, di ba? To make sure lang naman, yung ating first year of our baby with us is tinatawag nating peace of mind tayo. Kasi medyo nasa crucial stage pa rin yan ng ating mga babies. So, peace of mind of parents that has a professional medical support for our loved ones, which is our babies nga. So, nationwide access natin sa mga primary care clinics natin, which is, example of here is yung Double Dragon. I already attach the branch that you may contact with dito sa comment section or sa description section. You may check this. Okay. So, how to register yung tatawag nating Prima for Babies e-card. So, after purchasing your Prima Babies package nga, it has given you a registration link. So, masasend yun sa ating email address. So, kung ano yung inilagay nyo, tinawag natin, in-input nyo or fill out ninyo na dito sa regarding sa the email, as you paid it, ma-receive nyo po yung receipt sa email address na binigay nyo from the MaxiCare and also yung registration link. Okay. So, enter the reference code on the receive and then afterwards, ayan, once successful na po sa registration and na-receive na po yung tatawag nating e-card, ayan, you may start enjoying it within 24 hours. Marireceive nyo po kasi yung e-card na yun. You may start enjoying the benefit of your e-card ni baby. So, the plan must be registered. Take note this one ha. If you are a friend or a mother or a lola that you want this to send to your anak na may bagong panganak na baby as a gift, you may tell to them that kailangan pagka-send ko sa'yo na to, within prior of 3 months, i-register mo na. Kasi, kapag hindi po na-register yun, automatic terminated yun. Okay? So, the membership is valid for 1 year, meaning to say, yung plan is 1 year coverage po talaga, yung 4,999. Okay? Alright. So, important reminder before your appointment, present your Prima e-card. Ayan, ito yun, no? Prima for Babies e-card. And then, no need for you to, sabihin na nating mag-LOA. Yung mga ganun, di ba? Sa atin, sa clinic natin, sa MaxiCare, pakita nyo lang yung Prima e-card, okay, with the valid ID of the parent na nag-register. Okay, so the plan is non-transferable, hindi po siya patatransfer. Kay baby lang po yun na-register, yun na po yun. Okay? So kapag walang e-card po, dapat i-save yun sa cellphone ninyo, hindi po kayo makakabil ng any service from MaxiCare. So free cancellations within 15 days, just to let you know, if hindi pa po nagagamit talaga at you don't want to go using the Prima Baby for babies, as in hindi pa nagagamit, prior 15 days, pwede po i-cancel. Okay? So the benefit and accessibility of a specific physicians and procedures provided by the products na may natin dito sa plan na to is masabihan naman po kayo ng general notice if there will be announces that wala po munang consultation with this prior of branch. Ayan po. Kaya mas maganda po talaga 3 days before or 2 days nag-online appointment po talaga tayo para ma-check natin if there's available po specific na pedia doctor na hinahanap natin. Okay? So, Prima for Babies is product for Maxi Health and is distributed on MaxiCare. Now, if you have any questions, let me know po. And again, please contact me on my contact number. And that's it for the Maxi Health na tawag nating Prima for Babies. Living life